Hello, and welcome to the short tutorial on how to complete this assignment. This is a course planner. You will see the action item here. This is for personal executive functioning to help you plan out the 6 hours needed to complete this course. Take some time to read the course tips. We also have 4 different templates to choose from. So we have 2 that are calendars. One is a Google Slides, one is a Google Doc. We also have a more linear, this is on Google Slides, to plan out the different steps to complete the course, and a very similar one in Google Docs. So once you have an idea of which one you want, go ahead and click on it. It'll open up a new window into your Google account, and it'll show you a preview of the doc. So at the top, you need to click on Use Template to open your own copy. Sometimes this takes just a little bit. As soon as it opens, go ahead and complete each section of this. So here's your learning goal. Here's the barriers. You can click in here. One of mine might be the beach is calling. My action goals will be to set dedicated time. If I'm successful, I will celebrate by going to the beach. With my nieces. That sounds super fun. Again, then you would plug in and kind of knowing your timing, you could go ahead and plug in 1 hour, half an hour, add it up to 6. So wherever your time is that you know that you're going to have dedicated time, so you'll have a planner and you have a finished date. As soon as you are done completing this, you can go ahead and close this tab, go back into your assignment. It'll say, don't click on the assignment yet. It'll review the steps above to pick one of the planners to complete the planner. Then when we're finished, we're going to go back to our Canvas tab here, and we're going to look for the More button at the bottom with the 3 dots. I see that right here. Our next is to choose that Google Drive LTI, and we're going to need to verify with our Saddleback account. This is where we're going to select the file, and we're going to hit find the assignment that we just completed. So we're going to hit Google Assignments. It's going to ask you to select the file and verify your account. Once you click select the file, it'll open up a new window. I like to click on recent because it'll come up usually pretty quickly for you. Once you see that assignment, you're going to select it. Once you see that here, it'll have come up. You'll see the file being attached down here. And then you can go ahead and click Submit Assignment. You'll see that it's submitted. It's waiting for feedback. You'll see a preview of that come here. You'll also see Try Again. That's only if you need to resubmit for any reason. Otherwise, go ahead and just click Next and go on to the next page. Have fun!